Roman? Who's the best?
You know, guys, the last time in the span of 10 minutes, all three members of the Shield were WWE champion.
Dean Ambrose obviously being the last to walk out with it.
Roman Reigns lost the title to Seth. Incredible night at Money in the Bank.
Think about it. Between all three of those men, you have 3 championship reigns. Talk about an influential group.
And now that Byron, all three tonight.
Number 1 pick in the entire draft. And he went to Monday Night Raw. His state of mind tonight. What has the suspension done to his confidence? Will he show ring roll?
Good and well that Seth Rollins and Dean Ambrose are battle hardened right now. But are they worn down?
Byron, can Roman Reigns get through this match mentally tonight?
I think he's been anxious. He has been dying to get back, but we know without a shadow of a doubt, Roman Reigns is...
Thought is no. You want them battle hardened. I think this actually works against Roman Reigns.
It is up to him and him alone to keep the WWE Championship on SmackDown.
Introducing the challengers, Roman Reigns, Dean Ambrose.
And here we go, 3 former brothers, 3 former best friends.
When men first came here to WWE, they all vowed to make it to the top. How ironic is it now that one of these men will...
For old time's sake.
Oh, that's what Roman Reigns thinks about that. Roman Reigns in pursuit. Ambrose sends Rollins right back out to Roman.
His edge.
Rollins done over the top rope, and now Dean Ambrose from behind. Look at your family.
Yeah, and Roman is willing to do whatever it takes.
Unturned. Rollins back into the ring. And now Reigns with a right hand. And again, Ambrose sends Seth. Roman Reigns with a right hand.
Each man trying to strike quick here.
Ambrose tucks underneath, too close. The architect, the man who believes he was solely responsible for the success of the Shield. Number 1 choice by Stephanie McMahon. Number 1 choice of Raw. Roman catches. Rollins on his shoulders. Again, the power. The last time they're going to be in the ring with Dean Ambrose. And Dean Ambrose, John, he never backs down.
Never backs. Because I hope the WWE Championship comes home to SmackDown.
Another man, an absolute survivor in this. Here's Seth, the cover. Hook for the leg. Isn't enough kick out.
There's been a lot of triple threat matches, and the key is you've got to be there to walk out the winner. You never know, we have to break up a pinfall combination with the other two.
Ambrose and Rollins. Huge controversy last Monday night that ended up being a double pin. The return
Not to be confident tonight, despite those 2 attempts not really working in his favor.
Yeah. There's no champions in triple threat.
No, not at all. Oh, into the middle turnbuckle. And now Dean launches himself from the top rope, and he took out Roman. Last moment, now that running knee glancing off the side of the face of Ambrose. Now the steel steps right here in front of Daniel Bryan and live on Tuesdays.
What's he thinking here for Roman?
Seth Rollins so far doing exactly what he said he would do.
Now Seth Rollins launched into the timekeeper's area. Look at this, Dean Ambrose! Oh, 2 of those tables!
As a weapon, that is the MO of Dean Ambrose.
Loves this environment.
He wanted this. He wanted Roman Reigns. He wanted Seth Rollins in the same match.
Never wanted to defend the championship. Easier to keep it that way.
Dean Ambrose right off the top rope. Running Bulldog. Reigns in trouble. And now Dean Ambrose going to go up top. There's a flying elbow. Hook of the leg. 2 count. Reigns in. He kicked out, rolled out of the way, and sent it
out of nowhere. Looked like he fell from the sky.
On Roman Reigns.
Oh, that counter is just pure strength by Roman Reigns.
Reigns set back to his feet, misses wildly with the right hand, and he caught him that time. And another one. And here comes Dean, and he runs into a clothesline.
Roman Reigns trying to reassume the moniker of the guy.
Wow! That Superman punch
what
caught
Superman punch.
And Roman Reigns could be closing in on the WWE Championship.
You're right, one spear away.
They work together momentarily, but Seth caught. And there's a big punch. And a big clothesline.
WWE Championship.
Daniel Bryan and Shane McMahon understand that. Look at this. Big Dean Ambrose.
Who's going to be able to take advantage? Reigns, Rollins, or Ambrose.
Incredible amount
Daniel
at stake for Monday Night Raw and SmackDown Live.
At WWE
held the WWE Championship for so long. I know exactly what it means.
And look at Rollins and Ambrose. Kang's out, making a one-on-one.
Ambrose and Rollins working together.
I look like they're going for the old shield move.
Maybe not.
Here in front of us at our announce table.
Somebody's coming out there.
Watch out, Ambrose! Roman Reigns has launches himself. Bodies are everywhere for the WWE.
Understand the prestige of that title coming to their brand.
Oh boy, get out of the way, John.
No kidding.
Rollins and Ambrose take
They're going to work the biggest threat of Roman Reigns, then fight it out among yourselves. That's what you need to do in a triple threat. You better believe it.
Chains of the old shield.
To Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns to the Spanish.
Goes up significantly.
That is
now it's a one-on-one contest for the WWE Championship.
The puck by Rollins. Steel chair to Ambrose.
Brilliant by Seth Rollins. He worked with Ambrose.
Ambrose, though, up at his shoulders. And Ambrose with a great counter. And the WWE Championship still hangs in.
All 3 of these men have done to each other. All in the name of the WWE title.
Dangerous situation. Superplex. Falcon Arrow.
For him.
So much riding on this matchup. So many lives.
The stakes are huge.
Reigns is still down and out. It's Rollins and Ambrose one-on-one.
Like
Rollins
a cat.
lands on the apron. Top rope. Ambrose meets him with the right hand. Planting Ambrose. Wow. Good night for the championship. Roman Reigns kick out at 2.
Fought him that 4 times. The 4th time has had that champion thing. He hits another Superman punch. That could be it.
Ambrose tucked underneath, looking for dirt. Uh-oh.
Looks like a razor's edge.
Roman with a big right hand.
Oh, watch.
Superman punch. Rollins for the championship.
He said he's going to do it. He just did it.
Just like Money in the Bank. Wow, I thought that was 3.
I did too.
So did Rollins. Again on Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns, though, looking to block, looking to counter. What's this? And there's that turnbuckle powerbomb. Superman punch. Wow. Dirty deeds. Come on, Roman.
The WWE Championship is coming to SmackDown.
Shane and Daniel Bryan know they just dodged a huge bullet here by keeping that championship on SmackDown.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? unsure what to